Good morning everyone. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 13, the moon, page number 86. Objective of this lesson is to learn about moon and its phases. In this chapter we will study about nearest neighbor of the earth, different phases of the moon and light on the moon. Let's discuss some important terms of this lesson. Number 1 is moon, nearest neighbor of the earth in space. Phases of moon, different shapes of the moon. New moon, when no moon is seen. Full moon, when full moon is seen. Crescent moon, thin, curved shape of the moon. Now let's discuss some important word meanings. Night, period from sunset to sunrise. Falls, go down. Different, various. Shapes, phases. See, to look. Dry, not wet. Rocky, full of rocks. Now dear students, open your science book at page number 86, lesson 16, the moon. The moon shines at night. It shines because sunlight falls on it. Dear students, underline word night and write down its meaning, time from sunset to sunrise. Students, you must have seen moon shining at night in sky. It is also present during daytime, but we cannot see it as sun shines brightly. So, we can see moon during night only. It has no light of its own and shines because it reflects light of the sun. So, students, moon does not have its own light. It shines because sunlight falls on it. We see the moon in different shapes. Students, there are different shapes or phases of moon like full moon, gibbous moon, half moon and crescent moon. So there are 4 phases of moon: full moon, gibbous moon, half moon and crescent moon. We can see the full moon only on a full moon night. A full moon night comes once in a month. Dear students, this is full moon. Full moon comes once in a month and the night is known as Purnima. And when there is no moon in the sky, it is known as Amavasya, means no moon night. The moon is near us. It is rocky and dry. Rocky means full of rocks. Dry means not wet. Students, as we know, sun is very far away from us. Moon is near to us. It does not have its own light. It takes the light of sun and only then it shines. It is near to us. It is not as far as the sun is from the earth. Life on moon is not possible as it has no air, water, plants or animals. Students, do you know of anyone who has been to moon? Yes, there are many persons who has been to moon. Neil Armstrong is one of them, and the people who step on moon are known as astronauts. So Neil Armstrong is an astronaut. Now dear students, there is one activity given on your book. Try it out. Let's do it. Students, you will turn off all the lights of your room and then you will switch on the torch. The torch is like the sun in that dark room. Now students, let's try it out one. Turn off the light of your room at night. There will be complete darkness and you cannot see anything because there is no light in the room. Now, if you have to find a bag in dark room, you can switch on a torch and you can see the bag when the torch light falls on it. Students, just like the dark room, sky is also dark place. When sunlight falls on the moon, we see it shining. Now students, look at the picture here. Moon is shining. It is shining due to the reflection of sunlight. Now, next try it out. Can you see candlelight outside in the daytime? No, we cannot see candlelight outside in the daytime. Now students, why we cannot see candlelight during daytime? Because the candlelight is dim compared to sunlight which is bright. Similarly, the moon shines even in the day, but we cannot see it. This is because the moonlight is dim and sunlight is very bright. So students, in today's class we have learned about moon and its phases. Now you know that the moon gets its light from the sun. The moon seems to change its shape. Nothing lives on the moon. Dear students, now let's discuss some questions of this lesson. Why does the moon shine? The moon shines because sunlight falls on it. Why can't we live on the moon? We cannot live on the moon because there is no air and water on it. Now, draw the different shapes of the moon. Write their names. The different phases of moon are crescent, half moon, gibbous moon and full moon. In this chapter, we had discussed moon, its term, cross questions, word meanings. Read and revise lesson 16, the moon. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day.